And so this is why when we consume cannabis, we have such a wide range of effects in cannabis, and the phytocannabinoids and other phytochemical compounds within cannabis affect this human endocannabinoid system that we have. This area of research is incredibly new. Most doctors haven't yet been taught about the endocannabinoid system in medical school. This is really brand new research that hasn't yet made its way into the mainstream. And so we're only just hearing about CBD and cannabis, and we are yet to hear about the endocannabinoid system or even fully understand the endocannabinoid system itself. This is one of the biggest overlooked factors in the whole cannabis debate, in the whole CBD conversation. And it's essential really to understanding why you're hearing everything that you're hearing about cannabis and how you can actually start making better health decisions and better decisions that protect your health and your family and your communities. You will see that there are cannabis oils that people consume. Typically, these are consumed orally. When we consume cannabinoids orally, we're only really getting about 6 to 13% of those cannabinoids being absorbed by the body. Cannabinoids are known as being hydrophobic compounds, which means that they don't like watery environments and they gravitate towards fatty environments.